What everyone, and welcome to this banger. I got another banger laser video from your favorite boy JG Tech Nerd. It's been Christmas, it's been New Year, it's a new year, so here I'm coming with another video. It's about this nothing to air product. I can't talk, but this video is about pretty much we're gonna review it, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna see what the app does on the phone and specs and so on. So nothing more than that. Grab a coffee, chill back, and let's get to it. Let's go. And this is nothing to see through. It is the white edition. It also got the black. It got up to 36 hours of goddamn use time. Very nice. It got apparently something very lightweight, 4.5 gram only weights, and apparently got 11.6 custom drive with a 24-bit high-res auto certification, next level active noise cancellation, so many things, and I do not understand it. But they got a black and a white version. This is the white, and I can say one thing very confidently: it got true addict sound, it got high-res auto certification and studio quality. It got dual drivers, a new design, dual drivers. So very nice, very awesome. I think it's got 8 or 9 mics around it so you can hear. It apparently got re-engineered brilliance, personal sound profile, and it apparently got passive activation noise cancellation. So it got NAC, it got up to, can cancel up to 40 dBi, which between field elevation. It's got, I already used it, light, medium, and high noise cancellation. So if you don't want a lot, you can have it easy, medium if you want to be good, and highest if you want to just be in your zone and don't hear anything around you. And also got a personalized where you gotta go through app and so on. It got a unique design. I can say that one thing, very awesome design. It got waterproofing, EPX something, and it got water resistant. It got press control, and also with the case and actually 8 hours after just 10 minutes of charging. Got wireless charging. It charged with a USB-C that comes with it, USB-C to USB-C right here, and also power button. So, and it got, like I said, it got 8 hours after just 10 minutes of charging. It got a wireless, of course, wireless charging if you want to, with low lag mode for seamless gaming. It apparently got also gaming mode if you want to game with it. I didn't know that, actually, very surprising. With low lag, with room for seamless gaming, water and sweat resistant ear detection, and so much more. This is from the website. Powered in minutes. Move sooner in the fast charge. Get 8 hours of music played in just 10 minutes. Like I said, it supports up to 2.5 watt charging. It got wireless charging, like I said. So far it is awesome. It got advanced equalizer, as they say. Everybody says advanced equalizer, but basically it's an equalizer to personalize your music if you want the highs to be more noticeable than the lows or otherwise around. You got an app, Nothing X app they call it. And I can say one thing, awesome, it is amazing. But let's get to the unboxing. Whee! An app called Nothing X. You can download on your phone, of course, but this connects to your earbuds, nothing ES2 as they call it. When it's connected, you can see the power levels on the case, on the earbuds themselves, equalizer and controls, and also noise control. You got noise cancellation, you got transparency and off, and you got also noise control mid, high, low, adaptive and personal noise cancellation. Then you got off, and then you got controls to see all the different controls you can do. Then you got the, of course, equalizer, and there you have simple and advanced. I'm in advanced, but you can go on simple, then you have some presets and you can custom your own with the stuff. And then advanced, you can custom more and make your own custom sound to it. That's pretty much it for the app. Remember, if you did like this awesome content, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss another fucking goddamn awesome video, and comment down below what I also should do review about. Of course, if you want to contact me about sponsorship and so on, and review products and do PC build, I also got that down below with a link tree so you can contact me if you want to. Enough of mine on that. Stay safe, stay awesome, and fucking let's smash this 2024. See you on the next video. Peace. Bye bye.